Okay, so I am finding that a lot of insurance policies are switching the roof portion of the homeowner's policy to an ACV once the roof hits 15 years old. What that means is actual cash value. And a lot of people think they have what most people call it as full coverage or RCV or replacement cost value. Um, and these policies are just switching over at 15 years and the homeowner doesn't realize it. So basically a good example of that would be if you made a claim and they came out, the adjuster assessed the damages and said, okay, we're going to total you out. Let's just say your roof's 10 years, as an example. Your roof's 10 years old, so we're going to give you what this roof is priced in today's market value per our estimate, and then depreciate 10 years and hold that back as their own insurance policy. And then once you prove that you've gotten the work finished, then they'll release the rest of it. That's a replacement cost value policy. Now, in ACV, let's just say they come out, they do the exact same thing. They say, okay, this is what it is in today's market value. It's 10 years old. We're going to depreciate it 10 years, and then we're going to hold on to that, and that's all you get less your deductible. So at that point, you're almost self-insured. And a lot of people don't realize that. And you have to check your policies. A lot of policies are going that way. And I know a lot of people want to renew and look into, cheaper policies, but sometimes you have to see what that cheaper means. If it means that if you have an 11-year-old roof and you're trying to, renew your policy, but then in a few years, yeah, it might be cheaper, the policy, but then in a few years, you make a claim and realize that you are out of pocket, like, I don't know, a majority of the roof, was it worth it? Just look into it. You don't know unless you know. So either check your agent, look on your declarations page of your insurance policy. But so many people don't realize, and it's not like you don't learn this in school. So, protect yourself and educate yourself. It's really important. Which goes into choose your contractor wisely. You would think that as a roofing contractor, that all I need to know is about roofing, but ironically, I spend a majority of my time explaining the insurance process. So, just saying. And also, feel free to reach out because you don't know unless you ask questions. And it's all about asking questions to the right person.